So now we are going to discuss about question number 18. So first read what it says. If A is given by, so A is a matrix which is given by 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Here it is tan alpha by 2 and 0. So this is our A matrix. And there is an identity matrix which is of order 2. So here they are talking about identity matrix and the order is 2. So it means what? It is 2 cross 2. The identity matrix will be actually 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now it says we have to show that I plus A is equal to I minus A, that is in brackets. We have cos alpha minus sin alpha. Now we have sin alpha and cos alpha. So this is what we have, right? So we have to prove this thing. First thing, both the sides, you see it's given like this. So first I will try to get the left hand side. Okay, simplified form of left hand side. So let's do the left hand side. So LHS, what we have is I plus A, right? So let's write down I. What is I? 1, 0, 0, 1 plus we have 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. If I add them, what I get? I get 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 is minus tan alpha by 2, 0 plus tan alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is what I get, I plus A. Clear? Now let's go to the right hand side. This is a more simplified version of this one. So let's go to the right hand side. Now I will try to write right hand side as a little bit bigger. So right hand side we have what? I minus A, right? So I minus A will be actually, I will write 1, 0, 0, 1 minus A will be what? 0 minus tan alpha by 2, then tan alpha by 2, and this one is 0. Bracket, and it will be, please don't forget to give the bracket. Bracket signifies that the whole thing is multiplied. This one, right? Now what we see is, now let's simplify these two, this bracket. So what I get is, so this becomes 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus a minus is tan alpha by 2, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 is minus tan alpha by 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And that is multiplied with, here you see one thing, here we are talking about tan alpha by 2. So I will try to use a formula of cos alpha which has tan alpha by 2. Can you remember the formula of cos alpha which has tan alpha by 2? You see there is a formula, cos alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Okay. Now the similar way there is a formula for sin alpha, and sin alpha formula is given by 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Actually the derivation of this one I have already given you in the notes. Okay, so this is the formula for cos alpha in terms of tan alpha by 2. So let's put them in here. So what I get, 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So try to write it more bigger so it will look nicer. Sin alpha will be 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha will be 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Right? Now what I see, this matrix is multiplied with this matrix. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. So the matrix multiplication is possible and the product matrix will be 2 cross 2. Right? So let's do it. Now let's multiply. So if I multiply first row, first column, 1 into this thing will give 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, right? Plus tan alpha by 2 into this thing will give you what? Tan alpha by 2 into 2 tan alpha by 2 will give you plus 2 tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Right? Now, this one is finished. Now we move on to first row, second column. So 1 into this thing will give you minus 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Then this one with this one. Look at here. If I multiply this one with this one, so tan alpha by 2 into 1 will give us tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 into tan square alpha by 2 will give us tan cube alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. If you don't understand, then just little bit you just move back of this video and you can get it. Okay, now let's do second row, first column. Minus tan alpha by 2 into this thing. Minus tan alpha by 2 into 1 is your minus tan alpha by 2. Minus tan alpha by 2 into tan square alpha by 2 gives you plus tan cube alpha by 2 divided by the denominator will be 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, right? This one with this, then this one with this. So 1 into this thing will give you 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, right? Now the last one, second row, second column, minus tan alpha by 2 minus 2 tan alpha by 2, minus minus becomes plus, and we get 2 tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, right? Now 1 into this thing will give you how much? So it will be plus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. So clear? This is what we get after doing it. Now look at here. What we see is clearly that the denominator of this one is same, right? So if the denominator is same, so we can add these two very easily. So 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 plus 2 tan square alpha by 2 gives us what? 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 divided by the denominator will remain same, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Right? Very easy. Now look at here. In here again, the denominator is same. Just add the numerator. So what I get? Minus 2 tan alpha by 2, and here is tan alpha by 2. So what I get? Minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2. Just adding the numerators divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Yes or no? Now let's do this one. Again the same thing, adding the numerator. 2 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. So what gives? Tan alpha by 2 plus tan cube alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear? Now this one, 2 tan square alpha by 2 plus 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. So this one will be 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Clear? So now let's see which ones get cancelled. You see this one gets cancelled and this one gets cancelled. Am I clear? Okay. So now what we get is, we get in here it's 1. Then this side we can take minus tan alpha by 2 common. If I take minus tan alpha by 2, what happens in here? We have 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Same thing this side, I will take tan alpha by 2 common. So what I get? 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And here we have 1. So now this one gets cancelled, this one gets cancelled. So what do we have? 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. And that is equal to our left hand side. And that is proved.